guys, Crystal here, part 2 cooking video. Well, I'm going to cook my hamburger meat for the tacos. Well, whatever I got on here. I got everything over there. And I'll show you how to make that. What I showed, well, this here. Yep. Show you how to do it. Right now, I'm going to put some hamburger meat. But always have this on hand. You never know. We need things like that. I got behind here. So, a pan right in here somewhere. Jeez, I'm so unorganized, you guys. Use this griddle. I'm going to use this. Cook the tacos. I'm going to go ahead and get my spray out. Let's see. Well, whenever I got ahead, I got so much stuff in here, I don't know what to do. You guys have any ideas about organizing? Maybe I should do a cleaning video. What do y'all think? And of course, I always spray this. Well, let me rinse it off first. You always take care of your cast iron. Spray it with whatever oil you got. And if you don't, well, it all roast. I'm gonna spray the daylights out. That's the way I do. I'll get this here. Wipe off that stuff. Not easy. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my hamburger meat and put my ingredients in it. No, I'm gonna go ahead and show you anyway. Part 2.